everyone, are you planning to take GRE? Then in this video I'm going to talk about everything which you need to know, starting from registration till the test day. So first step is registration, for which you will have to go to the official website of ETS and there you will sign up. Apart from India and China, fee is $220 everywhere. In case of rescheduling or changing the test center, you will have to pay some extra bucks. ETS also has its own fees reduction program, so better check if you are eligible for it or not. After test, you will be asked to provide codes of 3 universities to whom ETS will send your test score without any charges. So don't forget to bring the codes with you on the exam day. After that, you will have to pay $30 per each recipient. The staff will provide you pencil as well as the A4 sheets for rough work, so there is absolutely no need to bring your own stationery. So starting from September 2023, test time will be around 2 hours. So here comes the structure of the test. So first section will be analytical writing section and there will be 30 minutes for it. Second is going to be quantitative reasoning, having 27 questions and 47 minutes. And third section is going to be verbal reasoning, having 27 questions and 41 minutes. So the most important thing, there will be no break in between the sections. So if you have to go to the washroom, then clock will keep on ticking. So better plan accordingly. You will get to know your quantitative and verbal score right after your test on your screen, but official report along with analytical writing score will take around 15 to 20 days. So this is how your official scorecard will look like. Thank you so much for watching the video and please subscribe the channel and press